We are doing the first practical, that is the MVC controller. So here we have created one Maven project. So you can create the Maven project with new Maven project. Then click on the next, and then you need to select the web app. Then you can click on next. Then you need to select the package name of this project, and then you can click on the finish. So once you have created all those things, you will receive the application like this. Your project is ready and you will be getting one file, that is a pom.xml. So you need to open that file pom.xml, and you need to add the dependencies. So here I'm adding dependencies like org.spring framework and this spring context, and this is the 4.1.8 release. So here I have added, and here I'm adding the context as well as web MVC because I'm trying to develop the web application. So once you are done with updating the pom.xml file, you are supposed to just update your Maven project. So you will simply go to the Maven and just update this project. So it will download all the necessary files required and your application will be ready. So here you can see the application is getting ready. Now it's getting up to 79. It's ready. Now next part, you are supposed to define the Web XML. So in Web XML, you need to define the servlet. Here I'm writing a name, that is a GJCCS servlet, and you need to add the Spring framework, that is a dispatcher servlet class. So just need to remember these things: org.springframework.web.servlet.dispatcher servlet. And with mapping, you need to write the name of your servlet, that is GJCCS. You need to remember, and this is your URL pattern. So you are going to get the URL. I will explain how you are going to get this URL. Then you need to go to the, now remember this name, with that particular name you need to define a servlet. So if this name is GJC, you will define a name as GJC dash GJCCS dash servlet. This name dash servlet.xml file. So we need to create one XML file of naming GJCCS servlet. Then I will open that particular file, and here you need to add the bean class. So you will be adding a bean class as org.springframework.web.servlet.view internal resource views resolver. So you are just creating the views, and you need to define your output files. So here I have created one folder, that is views, and under views I'm storing my output file. So index file will be under my views. So the path will be like this whenever I'm trying to define. So web inf slash views slash file name dot JSP. So if I'm passing index, it will be index.jsp. If I'm passing about, it will be about.jsp. Now I will pass the index.jsp only. So it's all about creation of the GJCCS servlet. Now I need to create a controller. So what I will do, I will just right click, new, and the Java class file, give the name to that particular Java class, define the package, and your file will be ready. So this is your class, add controller, and here I have defined two functions. One returning index, so it will be returning index.jsp, and another is returning about, it will be returning about.jsp. So I need to define the word with the slashes, that is a home and the about. So slash home slash about. So once first it will go to the index file, and later on if I am searching, it will go to the about file. Just I need to return these files, and here I need to add the views. So what I will do, I will just right click, I will go to the build path, configure build path, and here you need to select the Maven dependencies, and then in deployment assembly you need to add this views folder. Once you are done, you need to click on the apply, and then you need to just run this application. So you can see I have selected Tomcat 9.0. So I will receive that particular index.jsp, and here I'm getting welcome to first program. So that is your practical one.